What a beautiful, beautiful day. Morning everyone, or evening, wherever it is you are. Welcome back to another video. Today I have got Ben coming up. It is early in the morning, it's around 9 AM. He's coming up right now because he has a tune booked in for today for his car, as he just swapped from catted downpipe to Catless in my previous video. And we are also installing a Grimmspeed cold air intake before we go to get it tuned. Thought it'd be fun to make a video. We're just going to install the intake, drive it to the tuner, hopefully get some videos of it on the dyno. So it should be a cool video. He should be here any second. I can hear him. Hey. Just moving my car so he can park under the carport. The intake, massive pod. Shit. Saying goodbye to your stock airbox. Finally getting rid of it. Got rid of the old shroud as well, so it looks a lot cleaner.
Just one little 10 mil stuck in there. You can't get this one out.
It feels really loose. Fuck, it's burnt me again. Oh, Ben got a new radiator and it's fucking hot.
And then on the far side, just behind the headlight, we'll move the 10mm nut.
There is your map, sir. Oh shit,
Nah, you good.
There we go. Right. It's such a sick box. Grimmspeed. It's gonna look sick. So this next.
Alright, I'm happy with that.
And
So-
just got that in and it's looking good. Alright, well these are on. I think it's time to get the intake in there.
Connect it. Pull this down. Yes, got it. Fuck yeah. Alright, sweet.
Oh yeah, and now we start to put it in.
That's what she said. Alright. Yeah. Sweet.
Sweet. The last bolt's going on.
Look at that.
We all done?
No movement.
Fuck, she's on there. We're all done. Ben's gonna start for the first time. Oh, look at the two Subies. Okay, Ben's gonna take me for a spin. Alright. I'm so keen to hear this because this is the intake that I'm looking at getting on my Subi. And we have the same exhaust, so this is kind of like perfect. Whoa. So excited to hear it.
Windows down.
Oh, I can definitely hear it.
It gets louder, just wait.
Really? Holy shit, what? Oh, bro.
It's nice,
to Evo R to go get Ben's car tuned. That intake sounds amazing. And he's also getting a full re-circ bypass valve. He hasn't had that with him because it got delivered today while he was on his way up to go see me. Damn, his car looks so good. This thing. Damn. So sick. So clean. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Tony, just a turbo chill. There's just a bumper in the urinal. Damn. I gotta head off to work. So unfortunately I have to head home because I have work at 4 o'clock and it's 3:15 right now. I did tell Ben to film his car on the dyno, so I think right after this segment there should be some videos of Ben's car on the dyno. And then what I'm going to do is, when I meet up with him probably this weekend, he'll take me for a drive. And I think he said I get to drive it, so video is not over just yet, guys. The day is over for me, but for you guys it should just skip to the next part. So whatever happens next, I hope you guys enjoy. What's up everyone? It is 2 days later and I'm off right now to go meet Ben. His tune went well, everything is all good. He's got his intake, his new tune, and he put on his new bypass valve as well, and I'm gonna go see him right now. And if you think I look different, I just got a haircut today. All right,
here we go.
He's letting me drive it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
He likes it, guys.
Holy shit, that's loud. Oh my gosh. Bro.
Some pops and bangs.
Yeah, boy.
Oh fuck. Oh shit.
So like, give it some, let off. Keep it in the second under here. Go on, give it some. Tap it. And put it in third. And then give it some. Let off and hold it.
Alright, show us. Launch control.
Yeah, changed it.
Yeah, you're instantly in boost.
Alright guys, I'm back home, and yes, here is my new haircut. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more down below. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.